Welcome to our channel. We are Leisure Explorer, and in this video, we will be exploring Dubai Marina and take you through the experience of the Dubai Marina dinner cruise. Dubai Marina is located within walking distance of the very popular Jumeirah Beach Residence in Dubai, also known as JBR. This is located within close proximity to Ain Dubai, which is the very well-known observation deck wheel located on Blue Waters Island. We wanted to see what the fuss is about in the marina area, and so we walked from our hotel, which was located in JBR, across to the marina. The first thing to note is that there is only one main train station that runs across Dubai. And so in my opinion, Dubai is not a walkable city in terms of convenient infrastructure. This being said, there are other options to get around. Another important thing to note is that the Dubai Marina area is a very heavy traffic area, and there are no cars within the Marina Promenade. This is for walkers, bikes, and scooters, which you can rent if you don't have your own and if you want to get around the marina. So, first impressions of the marina. I can see why it is such a popular area. The marina is beautiful, clean, and safe. This is a popular but very expensive area in terms of living, but those that choose to live here do so for the lifestyle that it offers. There are many restaurants and shops in the Dubai Marina Mall. We really enjoyed walking along the marina, and we hired a Lime scooter which allowed us to explore without tiring ourselves out. As mentioned in one of my previous videos, it was difficult to film around Dubai as they are quite strict around public areas, and especially in areas that are crowded. So we avoided that as we wanted to abide by the rules. We know that there are many others out there that have posted, but we do try to remain as respectful as possible when visiting foreign countries. We spent some time at Dubai Marina Mall to get some lunch, and we enjoyed the variety of foods that were available. Make sure that you do get to see Dubai Marina both during the day and at night, as the vibe is different, and don't miss out on the Dubai Marina cruise. So we took a leisurely walk along the promenade and got to the Dubai Marina at about 7 p.m. and we waited for our dinner cruise. We purchased our tickets for the cruise on Get Your Guide, and we got there about half an hour early to stand in line and board. We were initially not sure which cruise to go with, but we decided upon the traditional boat, and we were so glad that we went with this option. Firstly, this cruise is not crowded at all and very well spaced out. but so far, this one ranks number one on my list, and this was mostly because of the gorgeous views and also because of the great food options. We were lucky enough to get to catch the drone show from the dinner cruise, and that was an epic experience on its own. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more of our adventures to come.